Hey Georgetown, it's Sam. I'm with my friend Arden, and we're up to something exciting today. What are we doing, Arden?
I forgot.
We're going to see A Star is Born. A Star is Born is Bradley Cooper. Yes, is that Bradley Cooper?
Bradley Cooper.
Bradley Cooper's newest film. It's his directorial debut, but he also stars in it. It features Lady Gaga as well. After the movie screening, there'll be a Q&A session with President DeGioia, him, and Blair Rich, who's the president of Warner Brothers Studios. Both Bradley Cooper and Blair Rich were graduates from the college in 1997.
We made it to the theater. So excited. Is that Bradley Cooper?
So the film just finished, and we
Crying
can't
a
give you
little
any
bit.
hints or spoilers, but definitely had the waterworks going. I'm very much not okay right now. I wasn't ready. All right, but can't wait for this debrief and this Q&A with Bradley Cooper himself. Wow. Okay. I think we need a moment. So I'm back in Healy, about to enter Gaston for the event, the Q&A session. I just have so many thoughts in my head about this movie, and I can't wait to hear him speak about it. President DeGioia was there in the theater with us watching it, so I'm really excited for some great conversation about this movie. Hello. So we just saw Bradley Cooper. He came like 3 inches from my face.
So close, it was real scary.
And now we got posters, and I'm just crying.